some YouTube some reason my music won't work. So on my phone. So right now I'm about to use my TV. Please don't get me copyrighted. I really trying my best on the work, okay? See you guys there. Puppy's not dead yet. Ah! Oh no! Let's start this over again. And excuse me, who are you? I am Sans. I lost ink before, but I will kill you. Are you about to say something? You never get my miraculous dub, bro. Oh, compare. But stop doing Jim Carrey. You gonna get us copyrighted. Cataclysm coming out April 5th. Number ladies. Know what you trying to do? Coming out in April 5th, 2022.